So if you're a teacher like me, then you have lots of these Smart Notebook files. Now, a couple years ago, Smart actually started to charge money for a notebook, and maybe your school district doesn't pay for a license for Smart Notebook, but you still have content here that you want to export or you want to convert. So let's see how we can convert this notebook file into Canva. So the first thing is there's no direct way to export this. So what we'll have to do is export it to a different format. In this case, we're going to take our notebook file and we are going to export this as a PDF file. Now from here, we need to configure our setup. You'll notice that at the top right of the preview, it does have a date. I don't really want this date, especially because I'm not going to be using this in Smart Notebook. I'm also going to check off this part about showing page borders. Okay, I think that this is all set, so I'm just going to select continue. Okay, so now I'm done in Smart Notebook. The next step for me is to open my Canva account. I'm going to go to Create Design and I am going to import a file. The file I'm going to import is going to be that PDF file. And in just a few minutes, Canva will take that PDF and import it. Okay, so here is my file inside Canva. This is basically just the same number chart that I had in Smart Notebook as well as these pieces. Now in the original file, these were infinite cloners. There's no way you can really create an infinite cloner in Canva, but what you can do is just do Control D, and that will allow you to take a whole bunch of this one color and you can kind of stack them together just like this. So it's almost like you have infinite cloners, but these are just duplicated items. You can actually make them a little neater than what I have. I'm just doing this really quick. So then if you want to use this in class, what we'll want to do is just make the size a little bit bigger, kind of like that. We are going to hide the side tray. And then from here, I can add each of those individual tiles onto my number grid. Now the other thing not a lot of people know is that you can actually write on your Canva slides. If you select Apps and you choose this option that says Draw, we'll use this drawing tool and this will allow us to draw on different numbers on my note. Now I do want to caution you on one thing. This is another Smart Notebook file. Things like this should be able to come through pretty easily. But if you have any activities or any of these animated games that are on here, it will not allow you to convert an interactive game to PDF. So when I go through and I export this as a PDF, and I import this into Canva, you'll notice that it's not exactly the same. It's similar, but it didn't have the crayons on the bottom. The other thing on here is rather than making this editable text, it just kind of creates an image for the slide. So just a couple things to be aware of. This is what will happen if you try to export an interactive game that basically just takes a screenshot. But other images may work like these tools at the bottom. So I'm hoping this video has helped you export some of those old Smart Notebook files. And you know what to do. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Now, if this video was helpful for you and you'd like to help me out a little bit, two things you could do. You could like this video and you could subscribe by clicking the subscribe button to my channel, Rich Colosi Media.